Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's look about Google Contacts. We are going to come here on Google Chrome. We type the word Google Contacts. Google Contacts, and let's search for it. So it is, let me first connect. So here you come and type your email. Type Ritah gmail.com and press next. Here I'm told that I should enter the password. So you come here, you type in your password. So you press next. So here I'm told that create a contact. Here there are some contacts inside here. My God, so you can see them. So here you come. They have said you can create a contact. You can create a contact or create multiple contacts. But here I'm going to create a contact. Here they have said your first name, last name, job title, your email, phone contact, add phone address, and we are given other options of month, day, and year. So we are going to come here. So I can come back here, and I said that create multiple contacts. They have said here add name, email address, or both. Example, Andrea Fisher, Weaver Breaker at 98@gmail.com. So here you can say have a CSV or VCAD file. So we press the import file, select, select from your contacts. So unfortunately here I don't have the contacts. So from there we come back here. From create a contact, here we are going to choose here create a label. So here we're going to come. They have said create a label. I can say maybe education, then save. So of course they are going to bring for you here. You come and they say that add contact here. I'm going to choose one of their contacts from my contacts. So let me say here, add this one. Of course, they have told me that no contact. They come and they say, go to your contact list, select contacts to label, or in the toolbar, choose the match. But here I'm going to go to my contact list. So come here to my contact list. I can choose